Felix?
It's perfect.
I think so too, man. We're lucky.
Yeah.
On this adventure, I'm joined by Felix Immler, a skillful craftsman and YouTuber from Switzerland. Here on this riverbank, we're going to try building a blacksmithing forge with natural materials only, as if we were in a survival scenario without a cutting tool. First things first, we need clay, which I spotted on the other side of the river. The goal is to forge a knife from a piece of scrap steel we found here at the riverside.
What do you think?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So these are very sharp dull edges. We actually should already start with forging.
How long will the forging take?
Long.
Really?
Yeah. But we have the whole night. Are you successful?
I think so.
Cool.
Okay. First flat, man.
Yeah.
I feel some wind.
We need more space.
I go looking for you. You want the set? Man, it's soaking. Look at that being soaking, man.
Great one. Can you cut? You made this tip with a stone. Crazy. Yeah, crazy. Yeah. Fantastic. Fantastic. Yeah, really.
Yeah.
Yeah. This works actually very well.
You know, the problem is we have a very thin.
Yeah.
For a boulder, we have a very thin.
Yeah, it's bent. Water level comes higher and higher.
How's things going, Felix?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah. I'll need a bit more time than expected, but it will work.
Yeah, now we need the blower, man, but the blower ain't working yet. It works, man, it works! Finally! Hours of struggling. Look at that going! Okay, blacksmithing, man, blacksmithing.
Yeah.
Earlier today, we found this concrete steel bar at the riverside.
Yeah. It's breaking.
Yeah, it is. Yoo-hoo! Whee! Nice one, man.
First we make a tip, then we bend it, and then we press it flat.
So this is just to make a point.
Yeah. It's a bit too less.
It needs harder.
Yeah. I can't believe how cool this is.
Awesome, man.
Wow.
We got blue flames.
Yeah.
That's a sign of very high heat.
Yeah. Milan. Red Milan.
Yeah.
Dylan. Dylan is with us.
Yeah. The piece of concrete iron turned out to be a little thick to be forgeable within our time frame. So the next morning we picked up a smaller piece with a diameter of 1 centimeter or 0.4 inch and continued the project.
Cool. It works very well. This is already good.
Why do we bend it, Felix?
I have to explain. Because we forge more at the end where the edge is, and it means that the material extends. That's why this bending goes up again when the knife is finished.
Look at that blower going!
Oh, it's on the wrong side. You see how it bends up again?
Try and break that. Yes! Awesome! We're gonna curve the handle. Man, the blacksmithing, it took me way longer than you might see on the video. But a knife is getting there soon. These are sandstones, and I'm flattening them out at the moment so we can use them as a sharpening stone for the knife. Working our asses off.
Yes, yes. Yes, my friend. You are awesome.
You too, man.
No, you are the real champ. You are such a...
Here it goes.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
You are such a... I can't believe. No, almost. Yeah,
Okay, hold
now
it from the side.
hold it flat. Okay. Yeah.
careful. No knife or this knife.
This knife. So you think I'll break it? Do we want to create a secondary edge?
Something like a convex. I would make a convex.
It will work, but it will take time.
Yeah.
But look at the color.
Yeah, it's crazy.
The color is metal.
Yeah.
Yes, still needs some work, but we're getting there. Thanks to Felix for making it all possible.
Go check out our collaboration on Felix channel.
Today we're making boomerangs, yes, all aboriginal style weaponry. I was thinking of doing a survival challenge with this knife. It's starting to rain. The moment of truth. Here goes the knife, guys. Oh man. I'm afraid we got ourselves some food.